In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do entry of purchase and sales in Zoho Books. Let's start by walking through the steps to enter a sales transaction. First, go to the Sales section within your Zoho Books dashboard and click on Customers. You can also navigate directly to a specific customer's profile if you have them in mind. Once you're there, you'll need to select the customer for whom you'd like to create a transaction. Now, locate the New Transaction button. It's typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Invoice. Alternatively, you can select another type of related transaction if your needs require, such as an estimate or sales order. Next, you'll need to fill in the specifics of the sale. This includes the items you're selling, the quantities of those items, the pricing, and the payment terms you're setting. Make sure to verify that all these details are correct before moving on. Once everything is filled out, you have a couple of options. If you're ready to send it off, click on Save and Send to email it directly to your customer from Zoho. If you'd rather come back to it later, just choose Save as Draft. This lets you create the transaction now, but hold off on sending it until you're ready. Now let's shift gears and talk about entering a purchase transaction. This process is somewhat similar, but involves a few distinctions given you're working with vendors rather than customers. Start by heading over to the Purchases section in Zoho Books and then click on Vendors. As with customers, you can also go directly to a vendor's profile if needed. Once you've selected the vendor for whom you want to create a new purchase order or bill, it's time to click that New Transaction button again. This time, you'll be choosing either purchase order or bill, depending on your specific requirement. As with sales transactions, you'll need to input the relevant details for your purchase transactions. This includes the list of items you're purchasing, their respective quantities, and any applicable due dates. Be sure you've got all the right information in place here, as it ensures smoother processing with your vendors. At this stage, once you've double-checked the details, you're ready to either send the purchase order to your vendor by clicking Save and Send, or simply save the transaction as a bill by selecting Save. These structured processes help keep your financial records organized and efficient within Zoho Books. By consistently entering sales and purchase transactions through this straightforward system, you can streamline your business operations and ensure precision in your bookkeeping. Remember, keeping your records up to date not only aids in managing day-to-day operations, but also provides valuable insights when analyzing your company's overall financial health. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your transactions efficiently in Zoho Books.